This washing machine from Hotpoint is ideal if you're looking for an eco-friendly model with fantastic features. It has a superb A++ energy rating, a 1400 RPM spin speed, and a medium-sized 8-kilogram drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, not only because of the extra capacity, but also because your clothes have more room to tumble for a better clean. Hotpoint's anti-stain technology removes 20 of the most stubborn everyday stains, such as oil, chocolate, and ink, all at the touch of a button. It works by instantly releasing detergent into the drum before gradually increasing the temperature to 40 degrees and holding it there for the rest of the program. This means your clothes will look like new again without having to pre-treat them with specialist detergents or soaking them in the sink. Woolmark Green is a gentle program that will carefully wash your woolens with the touch of a button. Because it uses energy-saving low temperatures and spins your clothes slowly, it can wash delicate materials like hand wash items or cashmere. And it's because of this that Woolmark have awarded it with their highest green certification. So, if your favourite winter woolies need cleaning, this special program will give them the care they deserve. If you want fantastic features and an eco-friendly model, this washing machine from Hotpoint is an ideal choice.